Carù, owner of Macchine Caru SRL from Italy. Our production is for Sueding Machine, raising machine, Shearing Machine, dust cleaning machine, and corduroy machine. We are focused on this kind of textile finishing machine. We started since 1960. The company was started from my father. Now I'm managing the company with my son Luca, and we are developing new machine in textile finishing also.
To Carù. I am Amiya Kumar from India. We are situated in New Delhi. Carù makes many kind of surface finishing machines like Sueding, raising, shearing, and corduroy machines, ultrasonic joining machines. We have 150 machines already installed in India with the help of West agent and Southern agent and Northern part of agent. I took care northern part, and he is making a lot of effort to make new machines. We really love Carù to sell the Carù machine. It's a great machine with good quality, known pricing. We invite all our customers to observe the machine and to buy the Carù machine so that they can get great quality of product. Thank you.
Carù in India, and we see our newer model raising machine 2G28. We have sold this model in India to some mills like Creative, Alok in India, and we make also brushing machine. Now we are basically more into the wider width machines for the bed sheets and the flanels.